Hey guys, so I literally wear this shirt. Like, I literally wear this shirt every time I record, but I'm comfortable. It's one of my favorite shirts, so we're gonna continue. Couple things, I just want to come on here, let y'all know that I'm still alive and kicking. I am still rinsing my hair with mainly water, and I'm also still doing rice water rinses. Very, very quick rice water rinses. I don't keep the rice water in my hair for very long because my hair doesn't like it. It's too much protein, okay? Rice water, or rice is made up of 16% protein. So, if you're fermenting, and you ferment for like 3 or 4 days like I do, you don't really want to overload your hair. So, yeah, I just keep it simple, I just put it in, brush it through, let it sit while I do the other side, and then I rinse it out. Blah. I really like it. My hair really likes it. But along with that, my hair is really thriving, okay? Like, my sebum is literally just like, I believe that I've had an increase of sebum, and that's mostly due to my diet, okay? You guys may have seen on the news, the US dietitian panelists, whatever they are, they said that the ketogenic diet is not sustainable or helpful for people who are wanting to lose weight or like be healthy, etc. I don't agree, but I also don't disagree. This is what I'm saying, okay? I have noticed that the increase of fats in my diet has helped me mentally. Like, you know how you just have mood swings and stuff? Like, you're just like, why am I sad? Why am I happy? What's going on? I literally am like that every other day. But having more fats in my diet, I have a constant level of energy, okay? You feel me? Constant. Not crashing in and getting coffee or sugar or whatever to just spike me up. No, it's literally constant. If I go work out, it's constant energy. But I've never experienced that in my life. Increasing the amount of fats in my diet has been amazing, okay? Also, my hair likes it, okay? My hair is like, okay, all right, now we getting that boom, boom, hey. My body is processing mostly fats. My hair, my sebum has been awesome. It's been thicker. It's easier to maneuver down the strands and all that stuff. So my hair is really liking that. I can't be as lazy with my skincare because I now have more sebum than normal. My skin is usually dry, combination dry, okay? It kind of still is a little bit, but when I was like heavy, like awesome heavy on the keto diet, I had oily skin. I've never, can I tell you something? I've never in my life had oily skin. In my life, bro. In my life. That was a shocker, okay? And only doing a wash once per day, my skin was like, nah, boo. We got sebum coming from everywhere. You gotta increase the manpower. That's been an experience. I really like it. So for those of you who are interested in the keto diet, going 100, like I was specifically on the keto diet. I had a net carb goal of 20 grams per day, and it was possible. I didn't think it would be possible, okay? I didn't think it would be possible, but it is. You just kind of have to like realize what you're eating. Net carbs are carbohydrates minus the dietary fiber, if you were wondering. So that was cool. But then the next couple of weeks, so it lasted for like a week and a half, and then the next couple of weeks I was basically like, I'm not gonna do this no more. Then I busted my diet, and then I felt horrible. I thought I would miss mac and cheese, and then I had it and I was like, I don't miss this. I thought I would miss bread, toast, something. Had it and I was like, I don't miss this. Like, it's so weird. Definitely like the way that my body responds to an increase of fats. It's like happier. It's just been awesome. So I know that for right now, my diet is gonna consist of like mostly fats and protein, and then like a sprinkle of carbs. Will I go over 20 grams? I might, but I have to be smart about what those carbs are. You know what I mean? My hair loves, so if you want to increase more sebum, if you feel like you're just not getting like sebum, eat more fats. There was one girl, I think she drank milk a lot. I don't drink milk, I'm lactose intolerant, but I can eat avocados, okay? I can cook with some butter or some ghee. I can, have some avocado oil, olive oil, fats, salmon, okay? So you can do that. So increase your fats at least 30 grams per day or more. I mean, your goal is to go for more, but at least 30 grams of fat. And especially if you're a woman, apparently that's like really good for your mental health and hormone balance. So check it out. let me know if you decide to do that. What else? Oh, that rice water. I'll show you a quick little spritz bottle here. My rice water is, I fermented it with hibiscus this time. So it's still as strengthening, but it's also moisturizing, bro. Like, it's, I don't know. Maybe I'm a genius. I don't know. But I love it. Now I use it on my face. Like this is my toner now. And I have some like other stuff in here, but it's mostly a little bit of rice water, dried hibiscus leaves inside, a dash of apple cider vinegar. What else? I don't know. And then some other stuff. But yeah, I just like it, okay? And so I be trying to, if I find something that works for me, I try to share it, okay? Because that's just how I am. I'm not greedy. I'm a generous soul. So let me know, one, if you've been using rice water and if you've changed kind of like the way that you've been using it. Let me know how that works for you. Let me also know if you increase your fats in your diet. Let me know if that helps with your sebum production and maintenance. And thirdly, let me know if you try some hibiscus in your rice water, because bruh, it's awesome. I don't know, it's awesome. It doesn't smell like bad. Like it smells like, I don't know, cranberries a little bit. So that's nice. I think my hair is growing. It feels like it's growing, but it also needs to be trimmed. So I don't really care if it's growing or not. I do care. Let me stop. It's growing. It's stronger. It's night and day from last month. Night and day. And that's thanks to the rice water. I rinse like every other day. So it's pretty cool. All right, okay, bye. That's it. Love y'all. Happy Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Yeah, I love y'all. Okay, bye.